Guys, welcome back to the Backyard Boggin. Backyard Boggin has flooded. The Backyard Boggin land has flooded. Turn y'all guys around. I'll take a look over here. We'll go do some driving out here. It's pretty crazy. Over there, it gets real deep, especially over there. Kind of dips down. It's real deep, especially right there. There's about like a 6-foot hole we dug. Over there it's pretty shallow. Right here, pretty shallow. You see our yard sitting there. Yeah, guys, we'll go do some ripping. Water splash in. There's the river for you guys. All flooded in like crazy. We'll take y'all over there real quick. This part right here. Whoa, it's getting a little deep. We got it back out of here, dog. Woo, filling up quick, man. Oh, feet are completely soaked. Pretty deep over there, guys. Woo! These intakes there and staying pretty dry. Got pulled the plug right here. Oh, pull that plug, all this water gets out of there. It's pretty scary. We got in two-wheel drive right now, doing all this. Pretty good machine. give you a really quick review on the machine I was driving out there. This is a CF Moto Z-Force 950 Sport. Yo, a quick walk around. It is a Chinese machine, but let me tell y'all, don't get your hopes down. This thing rips. The intakes for the air, it says on that, and the CVT inlet. Don't get your hopes down. This is quite a nice machine here. You know, have the winch on the front. This suspension is not the best, you know. It's quite on the rougher side. Comes with these dune lights, rear exhaust. It's like a little rear bed. Comes with a little hitch on the bottom too. Make our way inside of here. Two-seater. As it came with the speaker. All these auxiliary lights, has a horn. Sport and eco mode. Rear wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and front lock. E-brake. Low, high, neutral park. All the good stuff. And this is for the speaker. Has a kill switch for some reason, yo. If you wanted to kill it. Take y'all to the driver's side. This is what the screen looks like. This is in sport mode. Then this is eco. It has a little phone stand. This all came with it. A little glove compartment too here. Have an extra ball joint in there, just in case of anything. But yeah, has these harnesses too. On this side, but on that side has the seat though. Pretty nice machine overall. See y'all guys in the next video.